bunch of panties here. Confidence नहीं आ रहा है. Oh. I'm confident it is not embarrassing. It is embarrassing. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then let me tell you, hi, my name is Antra and I create content related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, photography, sometimes travel and haul of course. So if you are interested in watching as such videos, then do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload any new videos you guys will get updated and notifications as such. So yeah, moving straight on to the video. This video is all about Clovia haul. I think आपने thumbnail से पढ़ ही लिया होगा. So if you don't know, then let me tell you, Clovia is a well trusted OG brand which is hyped up especially for their lingeries, PJs, sanitary napkins and many more. And I am going to mention each and everything, like from panties to intimate wash through panty liners and sanitary napkin, everything. So watch till end, and yeah, without further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. I am super excited for this video, you guys, but first of all let me just show you how its package arrive. And I think अगर आपने मेरा पुराना क्लोविया हॉल का वीडियो देखा है तो शायद आपने देखा होगा, क्योंकि मैंने अनबॉक्सिंग की हुई थी. So this is its pretty okay packaging, you guys. This is how it looks like, and it says
happy is my superpower with love from Clovia. And yeah, no hearts were broken in the making of this product. So ये इसकी पैकेजिंग है और इस तरीके से अगर आप जब ऑर्डर करते हैं तो आपको ऐसा एक बॉक्स जो है वो मिलेगा. So let's get into this box.
So this how क्लोविया का जो भी प्रोडक्ट है वो पैकेज होता है. इसमें क्लोविया का टैग लगा हुआ है, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट यू विल गेट गिफ्ट कार्ड्स. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. इसमें आपको गिफ्ट सेट्स, गिफ्ट कूपन, वाउचर, वॉट एवर यू कॉल इट, वो सब मिलते हैं. So let me just quickly show it to you all one by one. You can use my partner code which is ANTA and get extra 5% off, and this one is valid for lifetime with no minimum card value. Also for my first time users you can use this coupon code. Also if you are going to pay online you can use this coupon code. So yeah, let's get started with the very first product, and starting off with the panties. Obviously hygiene is like, let me just show you. Also I want to add one really cool thing about Clovia is इसके जो products होते हैं they are packaged separately with separate pockets, like एक साथ बंडल होके नहीं आता है. So this is the thing I really like about Clovia. So starting off with the very first product. So this is a pink punch colored panty, and this one is your regular wear, mid-waist, hipster kind of thing. And the coolest part about this is, look at the pug over here. Isn't it so cute and pretty? Also the fabric of this product is amazing, and there is double layered thing over here. I don't know इसको क्या बोलते हैं, I will mention it somewhere over here. Also these are so comfortable, breathable and also stretchable. And if you can look at the elastic thing, these are really soft and comfy, so that would chubhe na. Yeah, this is the first product which I have, and this one is priced at rupees 499 only. Coming up on the next product is one of my most favorite. While ordering this product I was like, I need this. So this is your not so regular high-waisted panty, just because we all girls love to wear high-waisted bottoms like jeans, trousers, skirts as such. And जो भी वो low waist या mid waist होते हैं, it feels actually uncomfortable when you are wearing a high-waisted jeans. So this is how it looks like. It is really high waist, you guys. I mean, just look at the length of this panty. And on top of that, फैब्रिक इज सुपर गुड, कोई भी इशू नहीं है फैब्रिक में. एंड लुक एट द शेयर थिंग. सो बेसिकली ये जो मटेरियल है वो स्पेंडेक्स इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, वो मटेरियल है विच इज़ ऑब्वियसली वेरी कोजी. और जो अपर पार्ट का है दैट इज़ लाइक रियली sheer, so it looks chic, stylish, and I'm not showing off but it actually looks so cool on wearing. And yeah, this one is a really stylish piece, and this one is also priced at rupees 499. Next on the list is your regular sea green mid-waist hipster with a Halloween print at the back, and I'm so much surprised with their amazing cool collection of ये बैक में ऐसा कुछ डिज़ाइन होता है तो it makes it even more cool and you know what I mean, right? So this is how it looks like. Material काफ़ी stretchable है, and on top of that you can get different types of discount on Clovia. Like you can get 5 panties for 499, 3 panties for 599 and many more as such. I will link everything on my description box. साथ ही साथ मैं यहाँ कहीं भी paste कर दूँगी, so it might be helpful to all of you. Up next is my most favorite. मैं क्या बताऊँ इसके लिए, तो मैं इतनी पागल हूँ ना, मैं नहीं बता सकती. So this one is inspired by my most favorite web series. If you follow me on Instagram, you might be knowing I am वैसे तो too much on K-drama, but Money Heist, was trending and one of my most favorite. And inspired by Money Heist, they have designed their own panty, you guys, जिसमें पीछे Money Heist का जो भी वो थीम रहता था, जिसमें वो लोग क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो भी पहनते थे.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I don't know. वो बना हुआ है इसके प्रिंट एट द बैक और फ्रंट नॉर्मल 2 कलर में है. सो दिस इज अगेन योर रेगुलर पैंटी. वही हिपस्टर है, इलास्टिक बहुत सॉफ्ट है, मटेरियल कम्फी है. एंड या दिस वन इज ऑल्सो प्राइस्ड एट रुपीज़ 499. बट अगेन इफ यू आर लाइक purchasing 5 panties, then it will cost you around 499 or 599. I will like paste somewhere over here. Up next is again your regular mid-waist thing with orange and light gray sort of striped pattern. Only इसमें pattern अलग है, like the stripe thing I love a lot, but the thing is same. वो ही चीज़ है. इलास्टिक बहुत अच्छी है, काफ़ी अच्छा कवरेज है, लाइक sheer to medium, and again the double layered thing over here. And I think panties are meant to change at every 8 to 10 month. I feel like change करते रहना चाहिए, so you can get yours. Up next is for those who aren't into mid waist or high waist. So this is a low waist bikini panty. Yeah, this is a bikini panty, and this is how it looks like. I'm so much interested on their the stuff like this. They put the Halloween print at the back, and yeah, this is their low waist bikini panty. The material is quite good, stretchable, cotton से बना हुआ है, तो as such कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ऑल्सो दिस वन इज काइंड ऑफ सीमलेस. इट इज़ नॉट पूरा सीमलेस तो नहीं है, बट जो इसकी जो स्टिचिंग या जो भी हुआ है वो काफ़ी सीमलेस है. सो इफ़ यू आर वेयरिंग अ वेरी टाइट ड्रेस और समथिंग जिसमें आप नहीं चाहते कि ये जो स्ट्राइप्स दिखें, so this is one of amongst those. If you can look at its packaging, so nice. The list is not so regular high waist panty, and as you can see इसके side wings हैं वो कितने ज़्यादा broad हैं. So this make it even more comfortable when you are wearing really high waist denims or something like this. So yeah, this is how it looks like. High waisted है, material soft है, and this one is again priced at rupees 499. Last but not the least is this panty, which is a floral print, and I am not too much into floral print, but I was like, let's experiment. So I tried this one, and yeah, this looks nice. And ये आपका वही रेगुलर हिपस्टर है, मिड वेस्ट. ऐसा सच कुछ है नहीं, बस ये है कि इसके जो इलास्टिक्स हैं, जो बैंड्स हैं, वो काफ़ी ब्रॉड हैं बाकियों के कंपैरिजन में. So this one is like a little bit different from others. And again, that cotton and spandex mixed fabric, which is really comfy and cozy. So yeah, moving forward on the next product. Up next on the list is I have this Girl Pearl panty liners, and if you don't know what is panty liner, then let me show you. So I think this is a pack of 25 panty liners, and this one is retail for rupees, I will mention somewhere over here because I clearly can't see written over here. So yeah, ये 25 का सेट है और ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. So this is how the panty liners look like. इसके अंदर है obviously, and दिस इज़ अ स्मॉल कम्फी एंड स्पेशली ये तब के लिए होता है जब आपका जो पीरियड्स के एंड डेट में यू डोंट वांट टू यूज़ सच ह्यूज पैड्स. ओके, सो ये छोटे छोटे काम आते हैं बिकॉज काफ़ी कम हो जाता है ब्लड फ्लो एंड में. ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस वाइल यू वर जिमिंग ऑन योर जिम वेयर शॉर्ट्स इनसाइड योर टाइट्स एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो दिस आर a really good thing to carry inside your bag, I feel like. Up next is Clovia's rash free period wala sanitary pad. So this is how its packaging looks like. This one is in the size XXL and you can have your own size there. I think there is large, there is XL, so I ordered this XXL. They are packaged like really beautifully, you guys. You can look over here, उसमें अलग से एक में separately covering लगी हुई है. And let me just show you. So this is how hygienic, comfy, and also this one is antibacterial, rash free and many more as such. So yeah, you can get yours as well because I think these are really large plus पतला भी है तो overnight एक पैड में काम हो सकता है. So yeah, up next on the list is really essential thing I feel, but it always depends on person to person. So this is a set of 2 intimate wash, and if you know what intimate wash is, if you know or if you don't know, I will paste somewhere over here. So yeah, this one is in the pH 3.5. This one is for cleansing, lightening and tightening, enriched with tea tree oil, aloe vera, pepper betel and gooseberry extract. So this one is a liquid wash, and how you can use is you can take a coin size of this liquid along with the water, make a foam out of it and lather it and apply gently, wash thoroughly. So yeah, this is quick and easy, I feel like. And yeah, this one is priced at rupees 249. So yeah, this was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you liked it, you know the drill, right? Do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to purchase, just in case, do not forget to use my partner code, which is ANDA. And for more as such details, you can hop onto my description box given below. Yeah, signing off. Bye bye.